Good morning, children. Sai Ram, I know you all must be preparing for the semester exam. As I have completed teaching all the lessons of Active English, today I will begin with Active English revision. You will have the head question as do as directed in Active English. Do as directed means follow the instruction given in the bracket. You are supposed to follow the instruction which is given in the bracket. Clear, children? For example, choose the correct option to rewrite the sentences using made. Children, you are supposed to choose the correct option. You don't have to write anything anywhere. Okay? You are supposed to choose the correct option. Right? Your paper pattern will be MCQ type. That means multiple options will be there. So out of that you need to choose the correct option. Is that clear? We'll proceed further. Miss Rao said, you must sweep the floor Prem. See the instruction. Choose the correct option to rewrite the sentences using made. Miss Rao said, you must sweep the floor Prem. Now what are the options given? Miss Rao made Prem sweep the floor and Miss Rao made Prem to sweep the floor. Now just can you tell me, children, which will be the correct option for this? Yes, Miss Rao made Prem sweep the floor. A. That means first will be the correct option. Yes. Okay. So you are supposed to tick the correct option like this. Now children, I will revise question once and answer will be revising twice. Okay. Miss Rao said, repeat after me. Miss Rao said, you must sweep the floor Prem. Miss Rao made Prem sweep the floor. Miss Rao made Prem sweep the floor. The teacher said, you must finish the exercise, children. Yes, which will be the correct option? Just tell me. The teacher made children to finish the exercise or the teacher made children finish the exercise? Yes, correct. B. B is the correct answer. Okay. The teacher made children finish the exercise. Now repeat after me. The teacher said, you must finish the exercise, children. The teacher made children finish the exercise. The teacher made children finish the exercise. Very good. Maya said, you must carry the basket Prem. Now come on, tell me, which will be the correct option? Maya made Prem carry the basket or Maya made Prem to carry the basket? Yes, first one is the correct option. Very good. Maya made Prem carry the basket. Repeat after me. Maya said, you must carry the basket Prem. Maya made Prem carry the basket. Maya made Prem carry the basket. Mrs. Rao said, you must clean the window, Radha. Yes, A or B, come on. Choose the correct one. Mrs. Rao made Radha clean the window or Mrs. Rao made Radha to clean the window? Yes, first one is the correct option. Very good. Mrs. Rao made Radha clean the window. Now repeat after me. Mrs. Rao said, you must clean the window, Radha. Mrs. Rao made Radha clean the window. Mrs. Rao made Radha clean the window. Very good, children. So I hope this one is clear to you all. Now the next instruction. Choose the correct option to rewrite the sentences using let. Mrs. Shah said, "You may go to the cinema, Mohan." Now which will be the correct option? Come on. Mrs. Shah let Mohan go to the cinema, or Mohan let Mrs. Shah go to the cinema. Yes? Mrs. Shah said, "You may go to the cinema, Mohan." That means Mrs. Shah let Mohan go to the cinema. Okay? That means A is the correct answer. Okay? Now come on, repeat after me. Mrs. Shah said, "You may go to the cinema, Mohan." Mrs. Shah let Mohan go to the cinema. Mrs. Shah let Mohan go to the cinema. Maya said, "You may borrow my ruler, Prem." Which will be the correct option? Yes, the second one is the correct option. Very good. Maya let Prem borrow her ruler. Okay? Repeat after me. Maya said, "You may borrow my ruler, Prem." Maya let Prem borrow her ruler. Maya let Prem borrow her ruler. Mrs. Rao said, "You may watch the television, Maya." Now come on, tell me. First one is the correct option. Very good. Okay. Mrs. Rao let Maya watch the television. Very good. Now come on, repeat after me. Mrs. Rao said, "You may watch the television, Maya." Mrs. Rao let Maya watch the television. Mrs. Rao let Maya watch the television. Now the next instruction. Choose the correct option to rewrite the sentences using wouldn't or couldn't. "We won't play football," said the boys. "We won't play football," said the boys. Now tell me which will be the correct option. The boys couldn't play football, or the boys wouldn't play football. Yes, the second one is the correct option. Very good. The boys wouldn't play football. Okay. "We won't play football," said the boys. That means the boys wouldn't play football. Repeat after me. "We won't play football," said the boys. The boys wouldn't play football. The boys wouldn't play football. Very good, children. "I won't do it again," said Prem. So now come on, tell me. Yes, A or B? "I won't do it again," said Prem. That means Prem wouldn't do it again. Very good. First is the correct option. Prem wouldn't do it again. Repeat after me. "I won't do it again," said Prem. Prem wouldn't do it again. Prem wouldn't do it again. "I can't read the book," said Anu. Yes, A or B? Come on. "I can't read the book," said Anu. That means Anu couldn't read the book. The second one is the correct option. Anu couldn't read the book. Repeat after me. "I can't read the book," said Anu. Anu couldn't read the book. Anu couldn't read the book. "I can't help Maya," said Anu. A or B? Come on. Select the correct option. Yes, I can't help Maya, said Anu. That means Anu couldn't help Maya. A is the correct option. Yes, okay. Repeat after me. I can't help Maya, said Anu. Anu couldn't help Maya. Anu couldn't help Maya. Very good, children. Now the next instruction will be choose the correct option to change the sentences. Miss Rao said, sit down, Anu. Options will be Miss Rao told Anu sit down or Miss Rao told Anu to sit down. Which one will be correct answer? Miss Rao told Anu to sit down. That means B is the correct option. Very good. Okay. Come on, repeat after me. Miss Rao said, sit down, Anu. Miss Rao told Anu to sit down. Miss Rao told Anu to sit down. Peter said, don't shout, Maya. Peter told Maya not to shout, or Peter told Maya, do not shout. Yes, very good. A is the correct answer. Peter told Maya not to shout. Okay, repeat after me. Peter said, don't shout, Maya. Peter told Maya not to shout. Peter told Maya not to shout. Very good, children. Now the next one. Choose the correct option. We dash clean our teeth every morning. We must clean our teeth every morning, or we mustn't clean our teeth every morning. Yes? Very good. We must clean. So A is the correct option. We must clean our teeth every morning. Okay? Repeat after me. We must clean our teeth every morning. We must clean our teeth every morning. We must talk in class, or we mustn't talk in class. We mustn't talk in class. That means we must not talk in class. B is the correct option. Okay. We mustn't talk in class. Repeat. We mustn't talk in class. Very good, children. Now the next instruction will be choose the correct comparative degree of the given adjective. Ugly dash the ugliest. You have to choose the correct comparative degree of the given adjective. Children, in this you are supposed to check the correct spelling. Okay? You need to check the correct spellings of the given options. Okay? So now just tell me, select the correct option. Yes, A is the correct option. Very good. Okay, ugly, uglier, the ugliest. So the correct spelling will be U-G-L-I-E-R, uglier. Okay, very good. Now repeat after me. Ugly, uglier, the ugliest. Ugly, uglier, the ugliest. Very good. Now different dash the most different. Come on, just look at the options carefully. Yes? Which one is the correct option? B. Very good, because in A, different spelling is wrong. Okay? So see properly. B is the correct option. Very good. Now repeat after me. Different, more different, the most different. Different, more different, the most different. Very good, children. Now, the next instruction will be choose the correct superlative degree of the given adjective. Brave, braver, dash. Yes, A or B. The bravest or the bravest. That means here you are supposed to choose the correct option. You need to check the correct spelling. See carefully and just tell me. Yes, first one is the correct option. A is the right answer. Okay. Brave, braver, the bravest. Repeat after me. Brave, braver, the bravest. Brave, braver, the bravest. Very good. Sleepy, sleepier, dash. Just select the correct option here. See the spelling? Yes, B is the correct option. Very good. B is the correct option. So, repeat after me. Sleepy, sleepier, the sleepiest. Sleepy, sleepier, the sleepiest. Okay, children. So, we have revised all the head questions. That means head question will be do as directed, and under that you need to follow the instructions given in the bracket. Is that clear? So now it's your turn to revise carefully. You need to revise each chapter thoroughly, children. Okay? Then you will not have any problem in English paper. So keep revising, children. All the best for your exam. Bye. Sai Ram. Thank you.